Greetings, Bible nerds! It is I, your friendly neighborhood Christian comic creator, artsy, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd, Bible nerd. Greetings. When last we left our heroes walking down the road to Emmaus, Jesus was explaining the. Oh, there we go. Cut off his head there. Jesus was explaining how the story of Joseph pointed to him, and here we have him doing the explaining with 4 speech bubbles, and the disciples behind him, and then they're listening, and then they hear the explanation, and they are aghast, they are astonished. And then they're so astonished, their astonishment turns to joy. They stop walking, and then they forget that they're walking, and they have to run up ahead. So this is the final page that has to be penciled. I still have this hand. I was not happy with that. I had to erase that. I'm going to work on that again. I also think I'm going to work on that leg. It doesn't look like a leg. It looks like some shapeless form. It's a lampshade underneath that garment there. But we're working on this head. Cleopas' head is what we're going to work on now. Let's point the camera down. All right, very good. And we're inking. So there's much anticipation in the household because this is the weekend that my daughter comes back from college. My son keeps asking how many days till his sister comes home, and how many days till his birthday. We have to show him on the calendar. So, I just got word today, joyful exclamation, that I will be working from home on every Monday, every Tuesday, and every Wednesday. What that means is I'll be able to stream 4 days a week. At least I think that's what it means. That's what I think my life will allow me to do. My life, I said. My wife is a big part of my life. But, you know, things happen. Things happen in life that you don't expect. So it is my plan to start streaming Monday through Thursday. For some reason, Fridays just do not work out. I've tried to make Fridays work out. Fridays do not work out. So I'm just going to allow that Friday off. Fridays are a day off from streaming. So you heard it here, folks. Actually, Actually, I haven't even told my wife. Maybe you haven't heard it here yet. Maybe I have to talk to my wife first. Let's work on these forehead creases. So today, at work, we're doing a lot of handing out computers because we're still using Windows 10 at my job. And if you haven't noticed, many people are not using Windows 10. The computer that I'm streaming on right now is using Windows 11, so Windows 10 is a long time ago. So we're handing out computers, and people are asking questions like, where's the start button? Where did the start button go? Start button is a little to the right. It's more in the middle than it used to be. But for the most part, I'm pleasantly surprised how much people are accepting the new operating system, probably because Windows 11 has been out for a very long time. So these people are like, yeah, what took you so long? Instead of, why is everything so new? Why is everything so different? Why? That's what I'm used to. That's what I'm used to people doing. But not today. Not anymore. There are two lines here. One is blue and one is black. And both of them probably do not exist at the same time. I'm going to go with the black line here. Throw that line down. And this one will continue down there, end of that nostril. Let's make that dark. There we go. I like that decision. Like it. So I've added some redeems. There's more redeems. There's more redeems. So I've added some more redeems. Instead of me starting a conversation about what I just learned about the